Hello guys, what is going on? This is Reza from Guaranteed Team again with another useful tool. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very good tool by which you can calculate the equivalence of your English test scores in different standards. So if you go to grantunity.com and under tools, you can find our different tools. And so the tool that I'm going to show you today is IELTS to TOEFL converter. So the name of this tool is IELTS to TOEFL converter, but you will find the rest of the English test. So here you can choose your overall score in IELTS test. For example, if it's 7, so you can find the equivalent of your English test score to different English tests that you took. So in many cases, like for example, so when you are applying for different programs in different universities, so that program might have only actually one English requirement that gives you the English requirement for in IELTS or TOEFL overall score. So it doesn't give you like PT Academic or Duolingo or vice versa. So many applicants wants to know when they apply for different programs if they took a Duolingo test and the Duolingo test overall score was between like 95 to 100, how much is the equivalent of this score in IELTS test? So equivalent of this test will be 6. And also CEF is available here. This is a European standard test. So for example, overall score of 7 will be C1 and overall score of 8 will be C2. Um, and you guys can go through the article here and you can find a very useful table and go through each of the item. And yeah, if you guys have any question, let us know. Leave us a comment, and I'm gonna put the link of this video under description, in the description below the video. So yeah, let us know if you have any questions and if you have any recommendations for other tools. Thank you.